do you do?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah. I'm good.
Okay. 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 So basically, today I will try to discuss about that how we can easily make the time series chart using Landsat or Sentinel LMS for any indices. Okay. So it's very
Yes.
easy way. So just I show you the process and also send you the code after that. I hope you can easily create for any indices. You can easily make the time series chart using Landsat or Sentinel. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
let's go. So just I'm share my screen. So now
Okay.
can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, it's appearing now. Thank you.
Okay.
I see it very well.
Okay. So in this
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
here you can see I already write the code for this for here for that
Mm.
urban index. So in this time I just try to show you from a stress level from that
Mm.
step by step, then it also better for you for understanding. And when you
Yeah.
understand that, I hope you can easily create any types of time series chart easily. Okay. So first of all, you need to import your image collection. If you want, you can import the Landsat, or if you
Yeah.
want, you can also import the Sentinel. Both of images you can easily import. Suppose I want to work for the Sentinel, so just click on the Sentinel.
Can you please, doctor? Can you please add the Landsat 8 or Landsat 7?
Okay, Landsat 8 I use. So let's click the
Yeah.
Landsat, and I want to use there the suppose Landsat 8 imagery.
Mm.
And in this Landsat 8 imagery, here I can get the, you can see surface reflectance, top atmospheric. So basically, different types of indices were used at the top of atmospheric. It's better
Yeah.
for make that, because in this time you can see there is no scale about that. Okay, so that's why you can get
Yeah.
the pure wavelength for each band.
Yes.
Okay, so in this time I just simply copy this image collection
Yes.
and paste in our code editor. After that you can put any name. I just gave you a name, suppose Landsat 8, then equal. So now further I just need to filtering the image collection, and I hope you already know about that how we can easily filter the image collection. So I need the indices for Dhaka city. Just click on the import my boundary shape file. Suppose give a name, suppose RY. Okay. So now I just
Okay.
filter. So just take a variable. I put the variable name, suppose image. I call my collection Landsat 8 and paste here. And then I simply put here that suppose filter bounce function, and
Yeah.
then filter bounce with RY. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
put here that suppose I need the time series chart for a specific
Date.
time period. Suppose year of 2020, 1st January from year of 2020 December 31. Okay, this time period.
Yeah.
And then filter metadata. So mainly it filtering the image metadata. So just put here the cloud cover less than suppose 1. I take it. And in this time, it's very important. So here you can see when you want to make the image chart. So mainly we are using the UI dot chart dot image dot series. This function we have to use, and you can see what is the first argument about this function. This function
Mm.
first argument is image collection. Okay, so in this time we need the image collection when you want to make the chart. But you can
Mm.
see here when I use here dot median function for make the composite, then it's not image collection. So here you can say simply use here the print function and call the image and just use a size function. You can see in this time it not work. It's showing that
Yes.
image is not a function, because when I apply the median, then it's not a image collection. It just create the single median image.
Mm. Yes.
Okay, but without median you can see it work. It create the image collection. We can get for the
Mm-hmm.
1 year 7 images. So this is my image
Yes.
collection. But when I import here that median, that it's not a image collection. It
Yeah.
just create a single image. So it's very important for making the time series chart or other things. So in this time
Okay.
I don't create the median. Okay, so in this time just I did not create the median, because when I put the median, then it's not a image collection. It's a
Yeah.
single image. Okay, it's done.
One image. Yes.
One image, yeah. So in this time In this time, I just create my requirement indices which I need. Suppose in this time I work for the urban index. Okay, so just I simply import the urban index. So for that, I just simply take a variable, suppose UI, and in this time I just create the urban index. So in this time I simply just use the formula. Suppose, okay, so in this time the another thing is that in this time, mainly when you want to make the time series chart, we get the time series chart from the two data set. One is the ready-made data set, another is the unready-made data set. Okay, suppose in this time you can check about the band for that land set. Here you can see it's only available this type of band. Okay, you can see there is the no band about the NDVI, or there is the no band about the urban index or build-up index or vegetation index. There is no band.
Yes.
Okay, so in this time I need to create a band. So in this time, if you want to check about that, suppose I just simply print this image and click to the run. Here you can see I can get total 7 image collection, and I can get total 17 bands for each images.
Yeah.
And it's only available this type of band. Okay, there is no band about the NDVI or urban index or any this type band is not available. Here you can see the total 7 images. Every single images we can get that all of those band. In this time I need to create a band. So how I can create the band for my specific indices? So for that, first of all, you would just take a variable. Suppose I put the variable name is that add indices, and then just create a function. I put this element name image, and further I just simply put here my argument. In this time, my argument is that I create a indices for urban index. So I put here the UI, take a variable, call the element name. So basically this is my element name. I call this element name and put the function normalized difference between two band. You can see this is my previous code. Normalized difference between mainly B, it's that short wave infrared 1 and near infrared. So for the land set, short wave infrared 1 is the B6 and near infrared is the B5. So B6 and B5. So just put here the B6 and B5. Okay, and I rename it. I just rename it as a UI. Okay, you can put any name. So in this, suppose I just create a one. Suppose you need the more indices you also need. Just take the formula and calculate it. Suppose I need the calculate about the NDVI. So just put here the NDVI. I take a variable NDVI, call the image and put here the normalized difference between near infrared B5 and put here the red, near infrared minus red, and put this, rename it as a NDVI. Okay, suppose you need the more band. Suppose take a variable. Suppose I already check about the previous code which I had in here. Suppose in this time I need the for that. Okay, just I add the one. So okay, so I am started to add the more, and suppose I want to add here the yeah. Suppose NDWI I add. Okay, suppose image and you add the normalized difference between mainly it's that green minus short wave infrared, or so just green is the B3 and short wave infrared is that B6. Okay, and put these names as rename as NDWI. Okay, so if you want you can also add the more other index, no problem. Okay, same process you can try to add. If you want you can also use the expression, because you already know about the expression. Using the expression we can easily calculate the indices. So you can also add here the expression and also calculate the indices, no problem. Finally,
excuse me,
after,
doctor.
yeah,
Can you please make one indices using the expression?
okay, let's go. I show you that. Just take a variable. Suppose I make the for that make a indices for Savi, or if you want you can also put EVI. Okay, so EVI. So just image, and I call here the expression, and in this expression I just put my formula. So just take simply search on the Google EVI formula. So here I can get about the formula. You can see mainly 2.5 multiply band 5 band 4. Okay, band 5, band 4. Okay, just I simply copy here.
Yes.
And okay, just copy and then paste here. Okay, so here I just simply reinstance. Suppose this is the 2.5, it's multiply with mainly band 5. I simply short name, suppose put here the b5, then minus b4, so put here the b4 divided by band 5, so just I put here the band 5 multiply with 6 and with the band 4, so just put here the b4, and 7.5 multiply with band 2, so it's a band 2 plus 1. So this is my expression. I simply calculate. And then just put here the curly bracket. In this curly bracket, I need to define what is the band 5, what is the band 4. So just I use here the band 5. This band 5 mainly is the image, and select about the band 5. Okay. Then comma sign, then put here the band 4. What is the band 4? I simply call the image and select about that band 4. Okay,
Yes.
then I simply select about the what is the band band 5, band 4,
Two.
and band 2. Just put at the band 2, and it's mainly image dot select band 2. Okay, just I simply select, and I put
Yes.
the rename. So I put the name is the rename as a EVI.
Yeah.
Okay, so this my indices. I also put the expression or anything you can put in here, no problem. So
Okay.
after finally you are just use here the return function. So put here the return this image, and put here the add bands. Add bands in this time simply put this variable name UI, and also put here the add bands, simply call this NDVI, and put here the add bands, and put here the NDWI,
Okay.
and add bands, and put here the EVI, and press enter. So now in this time here you can see I add all of those band in here. So further, this is my function. Okay, this function variable name is the add indices. I simply copy it and connect with my image collection. So this is my image collection here, including total 7 images. Just map
Yes.
and put here the function variable name. So now I just click to run. In this time here you can see, okay, so in this time we can get the problem look like this problem. So basically it's showing about the image phrase expression problem. So in this time, let's check about the expression is the 2.5. It's multiply the whole equation band 5. Okay, so this my, so basically it's depend on the your parenthesis. Okay, suppose when you face the parenthesis, then we can face this type of problem. Okay, so it start from here. Okay, so then click on again. So it's press okay 2.5. I simply going to previous code and simply copy and paste here. Better just so EVI. I simply copy from here this formula, suppose 2.5. Okay, so in this time also need to change the band name. Same formula also use here, but in this time this formula is for the Lancet 5.
Yeah.
Just I simply paste in here. Paste. And then in this time B4 will be band 5. Okay, and it will be band 4. Then it will be band 3. And it will be
B2.
sorry, it will be 2. Let me check the formula again. Suppose it's the band 5 minus band 4. Okay, then band 5, band 4, and band 2. Band 5 and 4. So band 5 minus band 4. Then band 5, band 5, it's a band 4. And then multiple, and then now check again. Okay, so it's a band 4. I check that again. Band 5 minus band 4, then
Yes.
band 5 minus band 4, band 5 minus band 4, then band 5. Sorry, it's band 5. Okay,
Yes.
the band 5. Then 6 into band 4, 6 into band 4, 6 into band 4, 7.5 multiply with band 2, 7.5. Reducer dot mean, and scale is mainly resolution, which is 30 meter. X property mainly you can put here that system time start. So now simply
What?
print the chart.
Excuse me, doctor. What is the meaning of system time start?
Okay, so in this time you can see here I can get all of those images at a specific time. Here you can see, suppose you can see first image, it has a specific time, such as you can see year of 2020, 11th February. Okay, so it will
Yeah.
start from here. Okay, so it's a default. Okay, all time we are using at the system start, so that's why the chart will be
Yes.
start from my start time. Okay, then
Yes.
go to the one by one. So now I just simply click the run, simply copy this chart, simply copy and paste here, and click the run. So in this time it created all of the chart, you can see.
Yes.
Okay, so now I can simply click on here. Here you can see all of the charts such as EVI, NDVI, NDWI, UI. So all of those time series chart we can get for 1 year. Okay, and
Yeah.
one year how much image collection I got? I can get total 7 image collection.
7.
Suppose in this time I
Yes.
take for the suppose year of 2000, suppose 14 to 2022. So in this time it also make the better, because in this time lot of I can get total 56 image collection. Okay,
Yes.
and it create the very meaningful chart, because in this time you can see. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's also duration, increase my duration of the time. So just click on
Yeah.
here and download the CSV. You can get all of those time series data, indices time series data in your Excel file, and further you can easily make. Same process you can also apply for Sentinel imagery, and you can easily get the time series chart, and also you can see, you can get the time, we can get about the NDVI, NWI, UI, EVI. So all of those time series chart we can get from here.